welcome back to the affirmation section of the Yellow Magnetic Warrior. Okay, I unify in order to question, attracting fearlessness. I seal the output of intelligence with the magnetic tone of purpose, and I am guided by my own power doubled. I unify in order to question, attracting the fearlessness. I unify in order to question. Well, as those energies come together, it may be that there's an inquiry or a probing into an area, the quest, so to speak, which is the going into the unknown. And so the question is the act of going into the unknown. That is the fearlessness. That is the nature of fearlessness, right? And so that attracting fearlessness is the essence that is supporting the very question, because it's the courage to look into the unknown, no matter how major or minor that is. I unify the kind of little pieces, right? I unify, bring it together in order to question. It's like, okay, there's all these little things, and they come together to be a single act, which looks into this darkness, this unknown, and that's what attracts the fearlessness, is the bringing it together to make that question. The question can't happen until it's unified, so those energies are going to come together to have it happen, and that is attracting the whole thing, because it's not necessarily before or after each other, like, oh, I do this, and this. It's kind of like this is the wellspring altogether, this is the cycle, the little sphere, the little toroid, that is all cycling, and all these are the energies that are present. And the centrifugal little point of that is kind of the question. The unification allows the question to come into be, and this all attracts the fearlessness in order to have the question be the surmounting experience. I seal the output of intelligence with the magnetic tone of purpose. And as one embodies one's purpose, which I feel is really going to be brought to bear by the nature of the question. What is the question for you? As well as the aspect of unification, because that unification may be a bit of a process. It may be like, okay, well, you don't even necessarily know there's a question. All you can really see is there's aspects that need to be unified, and maybe this is tapping into some form of intelligence to be able to help it unify, as well as the nature of the question bringing forth a level of intelligence on how to move further. And that intelligence brings forth purpose. Once we know, then we have purpose. And so we're moving in a direction which, of course, is inspired by the question. Also sometimes known as the ion of quest. It's the ion of your quest. And so that quest is the purpose, right? The intelligence is being emanated, radiated from the essence of that quest, and then that is the motion, which is purpose. I am guided by my own power doubled. As we may know by now, it's just saying that we're on a day 1, 6, and 11 are always guided by our own power doubled. And that's saying that it is a warrior day through and through, that no other energy is guiding us but the warrior, which actually is fearlessness. I'm guided by the power of intelligence. And so we're literally guided by that hyper intelligent energy of the warrior. And so let's read through it again here. I unify in order to question, attracting fearlessness. I seal the output of intelligence with the magnetic tone of purpose. I am guided by my own power doubled. Stay tuned for the oracle.